Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to report a Telegram user. On this video, we're not going to use our Telegram application because as you can see in here, once I open my Telegram, it will actually not give me an option to report a specific person. Like for example, let me tap this person in here and then tap the contact. So when I click more in here, it will not give me any option to report the person. So what you need to do is to open any browser that you want. So in my case, I'll open Safari and then type in web.telegram.org. So in my case, I'm already logged in to this one, but if you're not logged in yet, you just need to follow the process. So again, we're going to choose the person or the Telegram account user we're going to report. And then on the upper right part of the screen, you'll see three dots. Tap on that. And then you'll have an option to report. Tap on report. And of course, Telegram will ask you, why are you reporting this person? So you can choose any of this option, but in my case, I'll just choose other. And then you can add any description or anything that you want here. Once you're done with the description, you just need to press report. So in my case, I'm not going to really report the person, so I would not tap on that. And that's how to report a Telegram user. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.